Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this opportunity, we will look a bit about meaningful divisions. As you all have seen in the previous tutorial, we answer number 1, the multiplication 99 times 85. But at this time, we will answer the question number 2. It's about division. 700 divided by 25. We will learn how to translate this expression into simple expression so we can get the answer quickly. We will learn how to translate or to transfer from one expression to another, but the result is the same. Most people will do the procedure like this when they have no calculator, but this procedure take times and also need paper and pencil to write down the procedure executes. But how to do when the pencil or paper are not available? We can do it by translating it into the simple expression, the easy looks expression. From 700 divided by 25 into 2800 divided by 100. It's so easy. We have the same result, or in this case quotients, that is 28. But how and why this expression work and the result is the same as the original expression? Let's see the following expression as the basics understanding for all of us. 10 divided by 5, we see in a pictorial representation like this. 10 apple is 10 apple grouped into 5 and 5, so we have two groups. And also 2 apple is grouped into 10 apple. We also have 2 apple. The divisor and the dividend are different, but the result are the same, that is 2. Let's see another illustrations. 10 divided by 5 is 2, but 200 divided by 100, in this case 100 apple is grouped into 2 group, so the result is also 2. 200 divided by 100 is also 2. So what is the relationship between 10 divided by 5, 20 divided by 10, 200 divided by 100? What's the relationship? Even though the expressions are different, but the result is the same. let's see 10 divided by 5. When both of them are multiplied by 2, it will be give us 20 divided by 10. Then we have 2. And also 10 divided by 5, and both of them are multiplied by 20, we get 200 divided by 100, and the result is also 2. Different expression with the same result. So how about the initial question or the initial problem we talk about, that is 700 divided by 25. How to change this expression to another expression that give us the same result? Okay, let's see first. 700 divided by 25, both of them are multiplied by 2, give us 1400 divided by 50. Yes, these times we change 700 to 1400 and 25 to 50, but the process of division still look not easiest. But let's see the others. Now we multiply both of them by 3. We get 2100 divided by 75. And then both of them are multiplied by 4. So we get 2800 divided by 100, and the result is 28. So dividing by 100 is very trivial, is effortless. Just to reduce the 20, we get the result. So the central point is to see the divisor, in this case 25. How to make this divisor will be the easiest one when we divide it. So in this case, we look the relationship between 25 and 100. So when we know that 100 is 4 times 25, so the dividend, in this case 700, also must be multiplied by 4. 700 multiplied by 4, 25 multiplied by 4, we get 2800 divided by 100, and we get the result 20 each. So when we look back, when we have pencil, paper, we can do like this, and it needs times. It needs 20 to 30 seconds to do that with pencil and paper. But in some occasion, we don't have pencil, we don't have paper, and also we need quick decision. So this is the way, this is the alternative, the quick but full of meaning, full of concept. So that's the answer for the initial problem or question to 700 divided by 25 is 28. Thank you very much. I hope this is useful for all of us.